parati nilang sinasabi yung attorney Tuason. 2 weeks ago pa lang ninyo nakilala. Paano siya nagre-report? Tagal-tagal na nitong mga form na to eh.
As to Noel Oñate 2 weeks ago, you're correct, Madam Chair. Pero as to sa grupo nila, Congressman Garbin, Attorney Garbin, matagal na ho sila magkakasama.
Ako,
Thank you po.
ayusin ninyo yung timelines ninyo. Parang hindi to.
Yeah, but-
Kanya po kaming trabaho,
Hindi, pero
kanya-kanya.
si Mr. Tuason ho ba was part nung November, December? Was he part? Attorney Abad, na-meet niya na si Attorney Tuason?
I have never met him.
Wait, so yung taga-organize nyo was not part nung December. Nung kung kailan na nakapag-submit na sa COMELEC, kaya saka siya naging bahagi ng organization?
Madam Chair, Attorney Garbin would confirm that pag nandito na ho siya during the next hearing.
Pero kayo ho kasi nagsabi na si Attorney Tuason is the organizational head. So I would assume nung December, siya yung nag-download sa baba na, oh, ito yung mga forms, ito yung papipirmahan nyo. Pero lumalabas ngayon, February lang siya pumasok. So sino nag-organize nung December?
Madam Chair, actually, operations po, hindi organizational.
Oo, operations. Yun na nga eh, you made it worse. Kasi kung operation, dapat November pa lang on board na si Attorney Tuason.
Yes po, mako-confirm po yan ni Attorney
Hindi,
Garbin. Sila ho yung
Hindi,
magkakagrupo.
pero inaamin nyo ngayon, February lang siya na-hire.
Hindi po, nag-coordinate with Mr. Garbi, with Mr. Oñate, sometime ho nitong January
But
na.
pero he was never part of the initial group.
Oh, ganito. Pwede ba? Kasi hilo na kami, no? Nag-umpisa sa November, ang sabi ni Attorney Abad, pwede ba mag-narration of facts kayo? Tignan namin kung tumutugma sa amin transcript kasi hilo na kami. Pwede, kahit bullet points lang.
Yes, Madam Chair. As we said during the last hearing, iba ho yung grupo namin ni Mr. Oñate when we were engaged as counsel for PIRMA. Iba ho yung grupo ni na Attorney Garbin. Sila Attorney Garbin, sila po yung magkakasama ni na Attorney Abad. Kumilos din ho sila on their own.
Wait, so
Sila din po ang
Si
kasama.
Attorney Abad, matagal mo nang kilala si Attorney Garbin? Si Congressman Garbin?
No, just last November.
So sino nagpakilala sa inyo dalawa?
Si Kong Rufus would be.
So yung initial meeting niya ng November, si Kong Rufus was there
Yes.
to introduce all of you. Okay.